Who's ready?
Hell, I'm coming in.
I was looking over there. Go back out there again. 1, 2, 3, action. Raw sushi is delicious and you wouldn't believe they can do it without rice, and that's the whole thing, right? A couple of tricks with this incredible little dish is having a cloth next to you, like a tea towel, and all I'm going to do is pour water on this tea towel. I know, right? It's kind of weird, but trust me, when you slice your sushi, you're going to need this with a really sharp knife. So that's there waiting, and my knife is just going to sit there on top of that. Slicing up your cucumber lovely and thin is just the way to go in this dish. So I've got cucumber, carrot and some capsicum, spring onion, I know, which brings it home, trust me, avocado and mango. Now I'm going to show you a little trick with getting the mango out of its gorgeous little home. Watch this. So you want your knife to touch the seed. Then you just want to drag the knife across the seed. Now I can feel the seed is there, and if I dig in, I'm going to cut the seed. So you're just balancing on the top of that seed. And then you're going to grab a spoon, and it's called cheeking a mango. I know, it's weird, right? It's actually called cheeking in chef's world. And you just be really confident here, because you can't break this, you can't muck it up, unless it's a really ripe mango and it's just like so juicy, but this is the way to do it when you really want to save time, and just little things like this just brings it home. Now I'm just running my spoon and I can feel it touching my hand from the skin, and I'm just going to just like that. And why, you're probably thinking, am I putting mango in sushi? Well, I can tell you right now, it brings it home, doesn't it, Dee? Like, it brings it home for some reason. And now it's easy to work with. And when I mean work with, then I can slice it up. Look at that, that's just beautiful. Same with the avocado. Now, God had a plan, right? Oh, let me just see what's in here. God had a plan, hey? Happy days. When you get a little bit of isms like this on the side, don't panic, don't throw it out. I'll show you what to do. Same thing as you're cheeking it. Straight onto the board. And you're just going to cut around those bad bits, which is just that little hole there. Okay, and the rest you're just going to slice up. Okay, this is looking good, this is looking good. All right, sushi mat, which you can buy anywhere. One of the key pieces of equipment I have in my kitchen is a sushi mat. Now with your sushi, you've got two sides. One is quite rough and the other side is shiny. So you want the shiny side down, and you want it the same length as your sushi mat. So the sushi mat's going down, and you can see the stripes on this going down as well. So shiny side down, rough side up. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna use our Caesar salad dressing. Oh my God. It's just gonna make everything fabulous. I'm gonna place a good handful of lettuce on your nori sheet. Just like this, just ripped up. And then you're going to place a couple of strips of cucumber, a couple of strips of carrot, same as the capsicum, and then just want to get some of that avocado on there. like this. And then our mango. You're probably thinking, why is she using mango? And what if you don't have mango? You can use melon. Melon is so good in this actually. What else could you use? Papaya? You could totally use papaya. You don't have to use any fruit at all. Salt and pepper, super important. I know, you're probably thinking, what, really? Spring onion. And I'm just gonna cut it down the middle. Just gonna place a couple of those there. I know it's poking at the side, it's okay. I need that pepper on there. And then I want to get this delicious, creamy, yummy Caesar salad dressing. And I just want to drizzle that on the top. And yes, it will squirt out the sides, but who cares, right? This sushi is no Instagram model. This is home, we're at home together. So, here's the trick. Everything out of the way, legs are apart, breathe, you've got this. I used to stuff it up all the time and I still do, so don't worry, okay? Just do as much as you can and just be really centered and try not to be too light with it, okay? Try not to feel like you've got to be like, you know, like, oh, fragile. Just, you got this. So, thumbs on the mat. Fingers touching the sushi and the nori and the mat. Then I'm going to take these fingers and I'm going to gather things back as I pull it over. So I'm going to go up, pulling, and then I'm going to squish. Yes, that's a word, everybody, squish. And I'm actually being quite firm. And as I'm squishing, I'm pulling back and I'm tucking in at the same time. My fingers are pushing this in and I'm squeezing. Like I said, this takes time, okay? And the last thing you want to do when you get to here is you want to get a little bit of moisture and just run your finger across that, just a little bit, and then you want to keep rolling until it comes out. And you want to sit it on the fold. So there's that fold there. Just put a little bit of moisture there, Cynthia, and just let it sit and seal. Stay. 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 Good. Good sushi. Okay, let's do another one together. Simple. And this is where the cloth, the wet cloth and the knife come in, okay? It has to be a sharp knife. If it's not a sharp knife, basically we're doomed. No, we are. You need to have a sharp knife. Soy sauce. We definitely want some soy sauce. Where's the little thing? And you can put some chili flakes if you want to in here. A little bit of soy sauce. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of chili in there just to bring it home. So that was the last one I rolled. So that's just going to sit and wait and do its thing. Okay. Can't believe that Caesar dressing has gone such a long way. All right. Wet cloth, sharp knife. Straight down the middle. That's how sharp it needs to be. Back over to the wet cloth, folding it over and cleaning it. What's really cool is you can do this, you can do it on an angle, just to get a little bit of, you know, prettiness going on there, or you can just cut it straight down the middle. And those end bits, when they do that, oh, that's going to be for me to put in my mouth in a minute. But back to wiping your knife. Yeah, and just keep slicing, you know. Look, this can even be a little bit of a showpiece as well, right? There's no rules really how you cut it, but there's a couple of styles anyway. Okay, we are on, people, we are on. All right. What else can I say about this? No, it doesn't sit in the container to take to work. I know, right? Because the seaweed just gets all mushy and just kind of deteriorates, really. It is something that you have where you can sit and relax and chill and breathe. And yeah, and just settle into the art of plant-based eating, very simply, by the way. Now, if you feel, seriously, because some of my friends cannot roll sushi at all, everybody in the audience behind me, just so you all know, chuck it all into a bowl, okay? All the salad and everything into a bowl, and rip up your nori sheets, add a dollop of that beautiful Caesar salad dressing, and having a deconstructed sushi bowl is still okay. It's the same thing, actually. This is just compacting it all together and having something that's kind of like one thing into your mouth. So don't feel like, oh, I couldn't roll the sushi, it was too hard, I'm giving up. Don't do that. Life is amazing. It's a magical time to be on the planet, and it's just a magical time for you to settle in to, you know, having this amazing moment of 14 days of just eating plants in the most simplest form possible. So, all right, I'm gonna eat my lunch. Do you want some? Do you guys want some? I'll see you in the next video.